Hello everyone, namaste. We're going to learn about some question and answer about hyperbola. Okay, solution of some questions of hyperbola, and I'll give you some assignment in Google Classroom. So try to attach in Google Classrooms. Okay, when we complete our members in a group classroom, then we proceed our Google Classroom formally. Okay, and continuously. So let us start our solutions now. The first question is, find the equation of hyperbola with focus at -5, 0 and vertex at 2, 0. Okay, that is a focus and this is a vertex. So what we see here, the y coordinate is 0. So clearly the transverse axis of the hyperbola is x-axis. Okay, because vertex and focus lies on the x-axis. Okay, now we will start the solution. Focus -5, 0. Transverse axis of hyperbola is x-axis. So let the equation of the hyperbola be x squared by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. If it is y-axis, okay, if transverse axis is twice b, okay, then in that case we write -1. But it is xa, that is transverse axis is 2a, so we write 1. Okay, now we start. Plus minus a, 0 equal to -5, 0. Okay, so equating this we get a equal to 5. A equal to 5. This is the first relations. And now again we have given the vertex. The vertex formula for vertex is a, 0. Okay, so 2, 0. Equating this we get a equal to 2, so a square equal to 4. Similarly, we know that e equal to 1 plus b square by a square. Why we divide b square by? Because transverse axis is 2a, so we divide b square by a. Okay, so now we have another part on a squaring and simplifying. We get, when we square it, then it becomes e square and the root will cancel out. Okay, then we get 1 plus b square by a square. On simplifying we get this. You try at home, take a copy and pen and try it. Okay, and get this result. And then putting the value of a 5 and a square 4, we get 21. Now we have obtained the value of a square and b square. Putting the two values here, you will get the required equations of the hyperbola. Okay, so look at here, x square by 4 minus y square by 21 equal to 1. Putting the values of a square, b square. Okay, so on simplifying this we get this result. You can do this yourself. Okay, we go to next solution now. Find the equations of the hyperbola in standard position such that its transverse and conjugate axes are respectively 4 and 5. Transverse axis is 4, and so 2a equal to 4. So a equal to 2 and a square equal to 4. Okay, and conjugate axis is 5. That's conjugate axis is 2b. So 2b equal to 5, or 5 equal, b equal to 5 by 2, and b square is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, so let the equation of the hyperbola be this one: x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Because we have considered 2a as a transverse axis, so we write +1 here. Okay, if we have considered this one, then we have to write -1. Is that clear? Got it? Yes. Okay, now putting the values of a square and b square, we get these results. And on simplifying this, 4 is when we divide y square by 25 by 4, then 4 will multiply the y square. Okay, this is the final answer. Now we have a final answer. Find the vertices, eccentricity and the foci of the hyperbola 5x square minus 20y square minus 20x equal to 0. So look at here the given equations. Okay, and now these equations can be rewritten by regrouping x square and x at the same place. Okay, look at here, and then we take common 5 from these two terms only. Okay, making the coefficient of x square 1. So we take 5 as a common from these two terms, then we get this one, 5 4 is 20. Okay, now we make these terms square. Okay, so look at here, this term, only this term. Okay, x square minus 2 times x times a, 2ab plus b square. Okay, and we have added 2 square, so we subtract 2 square, and this 20 is as it is. Okay, here, and 2 square. Okay, now we have another steps. 5x minus 2 whole square. This term is x square minus whole square. Okay, I will look at here, and this is x minus 2 whole square. Okay, and 2 square is 4. Okay, then next steps, we multiply these two terms by 5, then we get 5 times x minus 2 whole square minus 5 4 is 20, and this is as it is. So now we have this result. Taking this minus 20 to the right, it becomes plus 20, and dividing both sides by 20, and 20 divide 20 once, and 20 divide 20, it becomes 1, but we have to write to this form, so I have not cancelled it. Now look at it. 5 4 is 20, 20 20 is 1. Okay, and then comparing the equations with these equations, x minus h whole square, because it is of the form x minus h, so we have to write this also to this form. So there is no any terms after y square, so the value of k is 0 in this case. Okay, so I'm comparing. H is equal to 2, k equal to 0, a square equal to 4, that means a equal to 2, and b square equal to 1, that means b equal to 1. Okay, so now we have final result. Vertices s minus comma k and s plus a. This would be the k. Okay, but the value of k is still, it is the value of k is 0. We can write 0 in the next steps. Okay, now look at here. Okay, 2 minus 2 0, and this is k. Yes, you know, this is k, so the value of k is 0. Okay, so the value of k is 0, it becomes like this. And now we have 0 comma 0, 2 minus 2 0 0, 2 plus 2 4. This is the vertices of the hyperbola. Next, eccentricity e, root over 1 plus b square by a square. Putting the values of this is the main formula, and the question is of this form, so we have this b square by a square. If it is minus 1, then we have to write a square by b square. Remember this point. Okay, and now putting the values of a square and b square, we get root 5 by 2. Okay, this is the eccentricity. And now focus s plus minus a comma k. So putting the values of s, a, e and k, we get this, and this 2 and 2 cancel out, and we get only 2 plus minus root 5 comma 0. Okay, this completes the solutions. Once again, you all join the class. Okay, just go to the Google Classroom. In Google account, open your Google account and search for Google Class, and I have given you code. You enter that code, then you will automatically join the class. Okay, otherwise you just send me your Google account or emailing address, Google mailing address. I'll add you, and Sugam and Maima has been already joined, and rest of you try to join it. Okay, so that we can run our class smoothly. Okay, thank you for watching this video.